What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 124, and today's topic will be how to chat with your Neo4j graph using Langchain. Okay, so in this tutorial, we'll be going to create an use case where user is going to ask any question against one running Neo4j instance, and from the backend, or maybe we can call it as an LLM application, it is going to read the user question. It will generate the query first using LLM, and after that it is going to generate the result as well. Okay, so everything will happen on a fly. Okay, so let's try to actually develop this case, and source code will be available here. Before I start the tutorial, I would like to say a couple of things. So guys, this is something very very important, because I have seen most of you guys are watching my videos till end, but you guys are not subscribing. So guys, it's a request, please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, put some comment if you find this video useful, or any videos, like whatever videos I already posted for this Langchain series, because if you see here, it has more than 124 videos are there, right? So please help me grow, because guys, see, until and unless you guys are not subscribing, my channel will not grow. And the moment you stop subscribing to my channel, what will happen, my subscriber count will increase, and also YouTube algorithm will push my videos to the large number of audience, and that will also help me to grow. I would love to grow and reach large number of audience, so this is a small help or support. Please do it for me. I am actually very much depending on all of your support. Okay, so please help me and support me. I love you all. Okay, so that's it. Let's start the tutorial. Let me minimize this thing. Okay, so let's maximize this thing here. And before I start, I have created a Neo4j Sandbox, if you see here, and it has this is the graph. Okay, and if I click here, call poke meta graph. Okay, so this is going to generate the epoch meta graph, if you see here. So basically, if you say, there is something called machine. Okay, so machine has a type. Basically, it starts from the data center. Actually, if you see, data center has router is actually connected to the interface. The interface is actually routes the machine, and machines is okay. Data center actually, okay, so data center actually, uh, okay, let's start from here. Data center contains rack, okay, and rack holds the machine. These two things are topmost thing, right? Okay, right. So something like this. Okay, so let's start working again. Okay, everything is here actually. Okay, right. So this is a graph. If you go to the Neo4j Sandbox, you will get the details from here. So everything is here, sandbox.neo4j.com, and after that I created a graph. It is actually network and IT management graph. It is completely free of cost. Try to do it. You can create any other graph as well, and it has many data. Okay. So without wasting much time, let me start working on that. So first things first, from Langchain OpenAI, import chat OpenAI, and I'll be just going to set up LLM. Okay. Okay, so let's set up the LLM first. Model equals to GPT hyphen photo. Okay. Okay, so then next thing is from Langchain dot graphs, import Neo4j graph from .env, import load.env, right? Load.env, all done, right? So here what I'll do, graph equals to Neo4j graph, and the schema of the graph is actually graph dot get schema. Okay, and let's print the schema. So I have the environment file. There I just put everything. Okay, so you also can put everything. So let's see. So okay, it is saying I should use this one. Let me just do it. Okay, let's execute. Okay, everything is here. See, right? Okay, so basically data center contains rack, data center contains router, and data center contains egress. Okay, now rack holds machine. We have to remember, right? So I have created some questions here, and also my prompt is written here. So one by one, I'll be just going to start working on that. Okay, so next thing will be from Langchain dot prompts import prompt template. Okay, now I don't need this printed template equals to. Okay, done. So let's go into the prompt, copy the entire thing and paste it here. I created this prompt after a lot of permutation and combination. So let me just read it one by one. So, ask generate Cypher statement to query the graph database. Instruction use only the provided nodes relationship from the schema. Don't use any other relation types or properties which are not provided. The question is question. Your response will be only JSON with the below key. Means I want to create a JSON which must have a key query and the actual query will be written there. Okay. So now it is going to write prompt. Prompt will be from template dot from template. Okay, and we're just going to write template. Let's execute the entire thing. If there is no error, it means everything is working fine. Okay, then we'll be going to create a file. Okay, no error means everything is fine. So how will we going to create CL expression prompt, then LLM, right? And now what will happen? We're just going to write response equals to chain dot invoke. Okay, and there I'll be just going to write question. Okay, like this something, but before that I have to write schema. Okay, okay, question, and here question I'll be just going to pass a question. How many? Okay, let's ask the question directly from here. So display all distinct ways count. Okay, ways count, and okay, let's see how many properties. What are the properties are there in the wave? So if I go here, let me go to this wave. Okay, I just want to know the OS properties. Okay, so basically OS has something called name. Okay, OS name. Okay, so display all distinct OS count, OS name versus count. Okay, so let's see. So int response dot content. So this should give me a JSON. Okay, let's clear this thing first. This is very easy, guys. Okay, let's execute and see what is actually happening. This is going to generate the query and give me the query in a JSON format. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so match waste, return waste name, at waste name, count waste. So if I just copy this thing, okay, here, if I run against my Neo4j database, right here, so this is going to give me the query. Right, all queries are coming. Now what will happen? I want to generate the result as well here, but before that I need to parse this value. So what will happen now? So I will just write response equals to response dot content. Okay, right, this is done. Then response equals to response dot replace. Okay, want to remove the word JSON from there. Okay, there are better ways using Python or out parser, Langchain output parser. But just because we're just our ultimate objective is to get the result from JSON, so I'm just actually deviating that part. But if you want to know it, just go ahead and watch my playlist. Somewhere in the playlist you will find it. So response dot replace. So here also this this. So I just remove this like character and this character. Now I have to actually make it like in JSON. So this string I need to convert it into JSON. Okay. Okay, all done. Now I'll be just going to okay. Let's execute. Okay. Okay. You see, I just got the query now. Okay. Now what will happen? Execute this thing. So result equals to I have already created an instance of a graph query. Query equals to this query. Done. And then we'll be just going to print the result. That's it. Right. Let's okay. Right. Everything is done here. No problem at all. Okay. Let's see whether I'm getting the response or not. Yep. Thing is coming. See? OS name, everything. Okay. Uh, let's ask tricky question. Display the OS name presents which is used maximum on 10. See, hypothetical question, and let's see whether it is actually going to give me the answer or not. Okay. Okay. Uh, what is saying this is new client exception cannot use aggregate in order by uh, uh, okay. Hmm, I think let's first copy this query. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me go and check the query first. Okay, so this is the query it is saying, but this query has some problem, right? So let me. This is not the correct query. This is going to give the error. Return OS name. This uh, count return return voice name is voice name. Okay, order by descending order. We have to go to in descending order. Count order by. Let me think. Uh, mm, Basically, I just want to fix it. How to do it? Okay. Uh, Let me think. Let's think. Uh, mm, think. I think if I solution count count of OS name OS. OS name, then comma thing name. Yeah, so basically his name, then count of with with mm, mm, name, then order by order by if we I think this should work. Okay, let me check. Yeah, basically we have to, so this query is actually not able to do it. So what is actually doing, retain OS name as OS name. uh, Basically it actually missed out this thing. Okay, there should be a comma count of OS as OS. So that part is actually missing, so that is why it is actually not able to do it. Okay, so what I'll do, I will copy this thing. uh, I will sample question and queries given below. Let's do it. Question and this is query. So let's ask this question and let's see what is happening. Hopefully this will work. Yeah, this time it is working. Now what I'll do, I'll be just going to change. Okay. Uh, let's see. Let's say uh, let me think. Hmm, okay. So let's see port. Okay. This is port. Okay. Port connects to the process and port connects to the interface. Okay. How many ports are there? Okay. Okay. Display the port. Display the port number. Display the port which use maximum time. Okay, so let's see whether I'm just going to ask the same question, same type of question with different data, whether the few shot is actually working or not, and how intelligent is GPT-4o will understand this thing. Let's see. Great. Yeah, it's able to do it. See, right? So our objective is completed. So guys, uh, sometimes the subjective knowledge is not there within the LLM. Okay, but the objective knowledge it's there. You can achieve the objective knowledge. I mean, your your goal or your objective is to get the correct query, but LLM does not know the subject. So that is why we trigger this thing here. It is actually now generating the correct answer. So now I have couple of more question. So display all distinct machine count based on the waves. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Great. And the last thing, I'm actually uh, super excited with this thing. Okay, let's see. Great. So I have actually executed 5 questions and 2 very complex questions, and we also achieved the few sort correction within our query, right? So that could be the end of this tutorial. I think everything is covered, and I'm happy to complete this tutorial and happy to share this tutorial with all of you. If I am able to make any difference on your life, on your daily life related to learning, then uh, I'll be really happy. So guys, please let me know via some sort of comment, good or bad, doesn't matter. Just try to provide some honest feedback. If you like the video, then also you also try to put that information in the comment. And also if you don't like something, if you want to add, if you want me to add something else, also if you want to do it, want me to do it in a different way, or if you think something is still missing in the video, please let us know. I'll try to incorporate all those things in my upcoming videos as well. But last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also whenever you watch this video, try to practice, because watching the video only is not going to help you. So please try to practice by writing some codes, then only it will help you. Okay, so enough of talking guys, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day and happy learning. Thank you very much.